Hi, my name is Tim Keehnal, and I graduated the Fab School in 2012. At Bink Industries, we build components and full builds. We mainly focus in the Formula Drift scene. We recently finished up a full Pro 2 build for Matt Haugen. It's a R34 Skyline GTS that we've converted to an LS with a full Winters quick change in the rear. When I finished up at the Fab School, I thought race cars and car stuff. I had no idea that it would lead me to building things for TV shows or Disneyland at all. I had to build a set for the ship on the show for The Mandalorian. Started at John Richard's company doing the X-Wings, TIE Fighters, the gun turrets, and I don't know if the ride's open yet, but an escape pod. The skills I learned at the Fab School I use literally every day. I passed them along to people, refreshed some people. I ended up leading like 15 plus people. No one really knew how to do hand layout. If the blueprints didn't specify, they couldn't figure it out. You learn everything you could possibly need to know, and it's only getting better.